Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how to represent a 3D object on a 2D flat surface? The engineers and the designers do this every time. They use isometric projection, perspective projection, and orthographic projection. You can see in isometric projection, the three mutually perpendicular axes are equally inclined. In perspective projection, the faces are skewed. But in orthographic projection, it is a universal language for representing 3D object on a 2D flat surface with accurate details. Today, in a few minutes, we will break down what is orthographic projection, how it works, and why it matters. Let's first understand what is the meaning of orthographic. The term orthographic means you have to look normally or orthogonally to the front view, top view, and the side view of an object. So it's a method of representing a three-dimensional object on a flat surface. In this method, the imaginary projection lines called projectors are drawn perpendicular to the projection plane. That means all lines remain parallel and the object don't get smaller as they go further. So instead of a 3D illusion, you get a true accurate measurement of every part. But why do we need different views? Perspective drawing look beautiful, but they lie. The lines angle inward. The distance shrink. The faces are skewed. Your eye is tricked. Engineers can't build from illusions. They need a drawing where a 10 mm hole sees exactly 10 mm. Parallel sides stay parallel. Shape don't destroy. Orthographic projection provides this kind of precision. Almost all objects can be described using just three standard views. The first one is the front view, the second one is the top view, and the third one is the side view. The front view mainly shows the length and the height. The top view shows the length and the depth. The side view shows the depth and the height. Together, these views remove all ambiguity and gives you clarity. If you know exactly what the object looks like, even if you never seen it in 3D. Engineering graduate will recognize this as the basic orthographic set. If you are new to it, think like reading a map. You see the world from above, not from your eye level. To understand the orthographic projection, we also need to know about the principal planes of projection. There are three important planes that are the vertical plane, the horizontal plane, and the profile plane or the side plane. As the name suggests, the vertical plane is used to obtain the front view. The horizontal plane is used to obtain the top view, and the profile plane is used to obtain the side view. Here one thing many people find confusing. There are two international systems of orthographic projection. The first angle projection, they are widely used in Europe, India, and many parts of the world. The object is imagined between the viewer and the projection plane. Then the third angle projection, commonly used in United States and Canada. The projection plane is placed between the viewer and the object. They look different in the drawing, but both means same thing. Clear communication of an object from the multiple views. Now let's take a simple example. Consider this step block. In 3D, it's easy to see. But in a machine shop, you need precise details. First, we identify the front view by looking normally or orthogonally to the front face. Looking directly at the front of the object will give the visible shape, and with the correct dimension, we project the front view. Then we use the top view. We project the lines vertically downwards, and with the measurements, we complete the top view. Finally, we transfer the dimensions from front view and top view to the side view. Then we get the three different views, and it will rebuild the object perfectly. So the machinist and the designer can rebuild the object. Let's quickly summarize the points. First one, the orthographic projection represents a 3D object on a 2D flat surface. Second, the projection lines are perpendicular to the projection plane. Third, the main views are front view, top view, and the side view. Orthographic projection is more than a drawing technique. It's a language of engineering, a bridge between imagination and construction, a way to make complex ideas universal. Whether you are an engineering graduate designing the next innovation or a curious learner exploring how the things are made, orthographic projection gives you the tool to see the world more precisely. Thank you.